Hey, it's Super Live Down Man with more lighter tricks on Lighter Tricks 2. The first lighter trick I'll be teaching you today is the James Bond. It's really simple. You have to do it right though. You have to hold it like this. Hold your fingers like this. And the top, see the top? Is in between your fingers here. And so, wrong way. The hinge has to be facing you. Or actually, it's going to be facing your arm. Okay? So, then you gotta go. See, I finally got lighter fluid. Perfect. Now time to watch some clips of me trying to do it.
Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche, another runner in the night. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche, another runner in the night. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche.
So that's the first trick, and those are all the clips. Okay, next. Okay, this next trick that we'll be learning is the slide. Well, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is open it, and then you put it like the head on there like that. So you can take your hand, put it on there, bend it back, and slide the wheel. And there's an instant flame. And then you can do this. And you just fling it, and it closes. And if you want to be cool, just do a flip. And that's pretty much it. Now, time to see some clips of me trying to do it.
This is a story about Billy Joe and Bobby Sue. Two young lovers with nothing better to do than sit around the house, get high and watch a tube. And here's what happened when they decided.
So that's pretty much the end of my lighter extravaganza. I will be coming out with more, but for now, bye.